Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mac Leadership and Development. It is your coach, consultant, mentor, your guide, your girl, Chevy. But come on in and welcome as you all come in. As usual, take this time to introduce yourself. Let me know where you are joining the live from. And also take this opportunity to share this with anyone that you feel needs to hear this message today. And this message today is all about showing up as your true self. How are you showing up as a leader in your business? Because I'm currently in a 8-day leadership course, and it is full of goodness. So I'm going to share a little bit with you all the things that I'm just like learning, the impact of leaders, the purpose of why we lead overall. So definitely come on in. I'm going to start in 1 minute as usual, but let's get started very soon. How y'all doing? Let me know how your day's going. How's your week is going, okay? All right, I don't know why my lighting is looking dark, but I have like two lights on me. So it's all good. So I'm going to get started. So as you guys come in, if you're watching a replay, definitely let me know in the comment replay, and we'll go from there. Yes, let me connect my Bluetooth as well. I thought I did. All right, so we're good to go. All right, everyone, welcome to Mac Leadership Development. It is your coach, Shevvy, and thank you so much for joining me. And today I just want to quickly get on here, just kind of talk about how you are actually showing up in your leadership roles and responsibilities. Because are you showing up? Well, the question that I have is, are you showing up as your true self or someone else? Okay, so really think about that for a second. Really ponder on that, reflect on it, and if you have to write it down, like write down who shows up every single day to that meeting, to that office, to that business, to that organization. Like who is showing up? Because a lot of times people pretend to be someone else. They're not. They pretend to be this strong, tough leader, when in actuality they're not that tough, strong leader. They come up as this leader who is, know it all, and they they don't know it all. I've dealt with different groups of leaderships, good, bad, and different. But the purpose of being a leader is showing people who you are, being vulnerable, being able to express yourself through tough times, through challenging times, through opportunities. So as the leader, really ask yourself, how are you showing up every single day, and are you that leader who's able to express freely how you're feeling in the moment? I'm not saying bring your baggage to the to the environment, to the work environment, but really be, are you able to be honest with your team? Because we don't want a leader to show up one way and then when they leave they're completely somebody totally different. We don't want our team members to be surprised at, wow, I did not expect that, because this person is not like this. You want them to know you as a leader, but also as an individual, just like you want to know them outside of just an employee, but you want to know them as an actual team member, as part of the family. So really ask yourself, how is it that you're showing up every single day? So in this 8-day training that I'm attending, I'm loving it. It's great information. And one thing I want you to really understand as a leader, it is great to be where you're at, but your job is to keep up leveling yourself as a leader. Every single day, whether that be you're reading a book, you're in a course, you're in a workshop, you have a mentor, you have someone who is helping you to become this better leader. If you don't have that, you need to have that, because I am in this course and there's different levels of leadership. Different people at different levels in their career currently right now in this course. So I'm not in a course where it's just people who look like me, or female or black female. I am in a diverse group of leadership. I'm in a diverse group of people in this leadership course, and that is the impactful, powerful thing about being a leader. You have to be able to adjust into any environment and be surrounded by a plethora of different people who looks very differently from you. So if you are that leader and you just focus on you and being at this level to where you feel like, okay, I'm at this leadership position, I'm comfortable, then I need you to look into how you can grow as a leader, because a leader continues to grow, continues to develop his or herself. So again, don't continue to keep leading at the same level that you are currently right now. Find ways within your business, within your organization of how you can level up your leadership skill. Finding a mentor, finding someone to help you to get to that next level, because I'm in this course and I'm learning so much from other people who are at different levels of their leadership, and that is a motivation for me. That is a drive for me to be like, you know what, I'm here, but I want to get to here. So again, how are you showing up every single day in your business and in your career, in your organization? Because again, show your true self, be your true self, and I'm telling you, you will learn so much about yourself. Your team would appreciate more. They will accept you more. They will do more for you, because guess what? You are truly being yourself. And again, join or be part of an environment where you are going to the next level. Stop settling. Stop being at this level of leadership where you feel like, okay, this is enough for me, or the people are at the same level as you. Take this opportunity to see how else you can grow, because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm investing in my knowledge and in my skills and abilities to lead and coach others so that they can increase their potential. They can identify their strengths so that they can build on those and lead better teams, lead better organization, lead better businesses, because better leader, better business, better career, better team. All right. So again, you have to take opportunities to continue for leadership development every single day. And that, again, a simple article, a simple YouTube video, watching that, a simple podcast that you're listening to on your way to work, or in the mornings, while you are getting dressed. So it can be done. It's all about what is it that you want for yourself. It's all about how you choose to show up for yourself every single day. So as a leader, if you are ready to really show up and really up level, take yourself to the next level, because you feel like you're at a level where it's been stagnant for a while and you're ready to go to the next level of leadership, then definitely I can help you, because I have over 17 years of leadership, over 19 years of military experience. I just say 17, but I have over 19 years of leadership in general and military experience. So, and the opportunity that I have encounter and experience and being a part of, I can definitely help you to really navigate how you lead and how you make impact, not only in yourself, not only in your business, but also your organization and your people, because the people is the focus, y'all. Okay, the business is great, the organization is great, but you have to put the people first. Automatically, the people first. And that's something I'll talk about in another video, mission versus people. But definitely I can help you. I am, your coach. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to mentor you. I'm here to give you strategies. I'm here to give you guidance to implement so that you can become a better leader. So if you are looking for something to really, or looking for someone to help you get to that next level because you are stagnant in your career, stagnant in your business, you want to lead more efficiently, you want to make more impact within your organization, within your business and your team, definitely just send me a message. I will be happy to get on a free consultation with you. Okay. And also, if you are looking, you know what, I don't need a coach. I just need someone to give me a quick little assessment. I am a certified leadership assessment coach, where I do assessment on individuals and I give them a breakdown of, they do the assessment and they get a breakdown one-on-one consultation, which is included in the price for me to kind of lay out everything that the report showed for you as a leader and how you can grow and and we will create a plan so that you can leave from that consultation ready to execute some of your goals. All right. And the last thing that I do have a workshop this Saturday. So if you're looking to up-level your leadership abilities and learn more about you as a leader, I am hosting this workshop. It is free and it's going to focus on your blind spots. It's going to identify your leadership voice. Also, we're going to focus on emotional intelligence, especially that self-awareness piece, because this is all about you as a leader. And the last part, we're going to focus on how you need to lead yourself so that you can create bigger impacts for your business, for your organization, and for your team. All right, y'all. Like I said, this is going to be quick today. Thank you so much for joining. And as always, don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. And also leave, if you're watching the replay, go ahead and put in there a replay. All right. And if you would like to reach out to me for anything, or if you have questions on leadership, all you need to do is send me a quick message and I will be happy to respond. All right. As always, have a beautiful day and I will see you all later.